Hey, welcome to Tuesday. Today is going to serve as a recap or a primer to get you ready for your assignment that ends the unit tomorrow. So once again, this is kind of like we're getting towards the end of this little unit. And then today will help you prepare for tomorrow, which is our last little project for it. So we start off with a little bit of a unique warm-up. You are going to watch this news clip and then answer the following two questions. What is China doing according to this video? And then what other events from history does China's actions remind you of? So if you really don't know what to do with two and you're trying very hard, maybe Google internment camps, re-education centers, or concentration camps and kind of see what you get there. So once again, this is another thing on another important piece of our unit, so make sure you pay extra special attention. You'll see it in your activity tomorrow. When you are done with that, you can go into the Unit 3 recap. Some things to remember before we start with the video. Hong Kongers are protesting China for violating human rights, taking their autonomy. NBA manager tweets out in support of Hong Kong. China is furious. And then the NBA needs to decide if they want to keep doing business with China to make a lot of money or support the people of Hong Kong. So is it so good for your league that you keep doing business, or do you make a stand against everything bad that you've been learning China does? And then when you're done with that, you answer these following questions. 1, why did Bill Clinton, former president of the United States, think doing business with China would be a good idea? Did the NBA benefit from being popular in China? Why did Daryl Morey's tweet, and Daryl Morey is the manager of the Houston Rocket, supporting Hong Kong make China upset? And then true or false? So far, the U.S. has been able to change China's laws and restore human rights by working with China. Once you're done with all those, make sure you submit, make sure that you are all caught up, and you are ready for tomorrow's activity.